Hey, what's up, everybody? 302 Row here. It's 19 degrees outside, and when I just got a new game, just waiting for my friend to show up with his pickup truck. About to clear out some space. It's right here in the garage, right in this corner. It's going to be a new game. Stick around, check it out. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and leave a comment below. Alright guys, here it is. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Popeye. Let me turn on the flash. Alright, I'm back. Got the flash on. You can see we need some T-molding. Got Popeye. Everything's in a little rough shape. But doesn't look too bad. Clean it up a little bit. Check out the insides. See, there's no side art. There's no side art on the other side. But new project. Plugged it in and nothing happened. You could hear something warming up, but need to just go through it and check everything out. Alright, so yeah, that's a quick look at my latest pickup. It's Popeye from Nintendo. Cabinet's in rough shape. Plug it in, nothing happens. So I'm gonna wait until it's daylight and we'll go over it a little more detail. But yeah, it's so cold out here, I can't talk, so I'm gonna just cut the video off before I sound even more dumb. So hit the subscribe button, notification button, leave a comment below. Peace. Alright guys, I'm back in the garage. Came out here a few minutes ago because I was inside the house and I found the Popeye manual and was just looking over everything, and it said there's 4 fuses, so I came out here to check the fuses in the back. And before I even checked the fuses, I was just looking at everything just to see what I could notice. Just see, rambling on, but anyway, so looking around back here, and I saw that this wire right here, let's see, right there, wasn't plugged in anything. And then on top of this thing right here, I think that's the power transformer. It should go right there. So when I plugged it in before, nothing happened. You could hear like the speaker come on. So I'm gonna plug that in, and then I'll plug it in and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we go. I got the wire plugged in now. You can see everything in here. Got that plugged in. Want to connect the power, and let's see what happens. Just take a look around, see what else we see real quick. Oh no, wish me luck, guys. Here we go, here we go. Nothing on the screen. Still nothing. See what happens if I put a coin in. Alright, so back to the drawing board, plugged it in, got it on, still nothing, so like I said, I'll wait until we got some daylight outside and we'll come back to it. Alright, I want to do a little update video on this Popeye arcade machine. I'm out here. It's been a couple days later. I've been working, haven't had that much time, but came out here, plugged it in, nothing happened. Then I noticed when I turned it off, I could see like a flash of white around the screen. So, and I did notice that the neck does have some glow to it, so that was good. So there's a little glow on the monitor neck, and then when I turn it off it flashes white. I don't know if it flashes when I turn it on, but I think that's good so far for the monitor. I think my only problem now is that the PCB isn't turning on. At first I noticed the cable was disconnected. It looks like it's been hacked up kind of. And then I'm looking around to see like the PCB settings, and when I look through, alright, my last video got interrupted, but basically here doing an update, the monitor, the neck has some glow. When I turn it off, it flashes white. The speaker, when I turn the machine on, I can hear a hum, but I think I should be hearing game sounds, so I think the PCB isn't getting power. When I look through here, like I'm trying to find the dip switch settings to make sure that the sound's on and stuff like that, I can't find it. But I can see a board in there that says Nintendo of America, but I'm gonna take this out, so hopefully like the actual Popeye PCB is still in there. So I don't know if this game has like multiple boards or anything like that, but we'll see. So right now, recording this so I can see how everything's hooked up. I'm gonna take off the JAMA connector and then these screws. It has the instructions right here how to do it, and it should be 6 screws. There's only 3 in, so someone might have taken it out. I don't know. So let me just go ahead and take it apart so I can see if I need to get the game or what's going on. Okay, so I got the screws out, 3 screws out, the down bottom. Let's see what we got inside. There we go, we got 2 boards in there. Looks like there's 3 slots, so I don't know if something's missing or what's the deal. We'll have to do a little research. It looks like it's all there. Like that should be the Popeye PCB. Yeah, there's the switches I'm looking for. Right over there. Alright, let me just see what's going on here. Everything's real dirty. Alright. Alright, it's bright out here. Hopefully you guys can see me. There we go. Alright. Here's a little update. So, opened it up, pulled out the PCB. I checked the dip switch settings. The track mode sounds were set to off, and it was set for cocktail mode. So I'm gonna flip-flop those now. Then we'll plug it in and see what happens. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we'll hear at least the Popeye music or something like that. Maybe the coin mech isn't working, and when I thought I was putting in a quarter, you know, it was never registering it. It could be a number of things, but if I turn on the track mode and turn it on, hopefully I'll hear something and the game will be playing blind, or maybe because I switch it out of cocktail mode, it does something with the monitor and it works. But those settings are definitely wrong, or at least the cabinet type is wrong. The sound, whatever, they might have got tired of it. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Let me flip these switches and then we'll test it out. Alright, so we got the track mode on, everything else. Just plug it in. Maybe I should put it on free play. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on free play, just in case the coin mechs aren't working. Alright, those are all flipped up. We got the sound on. It's in cabinet mode, not cocktail mode. Let's slide this back in. Put this back over. I'll connect that and then we'll plug it in, test it out. Alright, so plugged it in. Switch the dip switch settings around. Let's fire it up, see if we hear anything. Alright, so all we gotta do now is get the picture working. Alright, it's pretty loud. The neighborhood can probably hear it. But yeah, alright, now we gotta get the monitor working. Okay, so after getting the sound working, couldn't stay away, came back out here, looking around back here on the monitor, just kind of looking over everything. Really, I was just trying to see what kind of monitor I got, because I figured I'd have to do like a cap kit, something like that. But inside of here, I was just looking around. Let me see if I can show you on the phone. Let me see if you guys can see it. It's a good way right there. This cable, see there's a wire right here that's not connected to anything. So I'm looking around and I found over here, let me see, let me show you guys. So right here on this board that has like the RGB or the color controls, I see there's somewhere it looks like that cable could plug in right there. So I'm gonna try that. That would explain why it's not getting the picture, maybe, or the power or something. I don't know, we'll see though. But I'm gonna plug that into there basically and then see if that's gonna fix anything. At this point, I don't think it could hurt. So I'm gonna give that a try. Okay, so I went ahead, connected that wire to the board, got it in there nice and tight. Gonna plug in the machine, turn it on, and let's see what we got. Okay, everybody, you gotta excuse the flies off to the side, but anyway, this is the moment of truth. Just got the machine Sunday, today's Thursday. Haven't been able to work on it, been at work. Was out here fooling around, changed the PCB settings so we were able to hear some sounds. We know the game's working, the controls work when I tried it. Then I figured, we know that the monitor would flash, blah, blah, blah. I came, found that there was a cable that was disconnected on the monitor. So plug that back in, spun the game around. Now we're gonna plug it in, see what happens. So cross your fingers and your toes for me, all right? I need all the luck I can get right now. Here we go. Anything on the screen? Nope. Nothing. All right. Back to the drawing board, but game works. I think I'll come out here at night, that way I can see if the screen's glowing at all or what's going on. All right, everybody, it's nighttime. See outside, it's dark. So came in here and turned on the machine because earlier it was so bright. I couldn't tell if like my brightness was down back here or anything. But I just turned it on, and look, it's actually working. It's just like so, it's dark. I got the brightness all the way up, so it's just hard to see it. But the monitor works. I'm gonna start it now. Let's see. Let me turn off the light, see if you can see. Alright, I think it's on cocktail mode now, actually, because the picture's upside down. Let's see. Oh look, it just flipped back over. Can't see like the board. I don't know if the game is messed up or what. Okay, yeah, it's definitely on cocktail mode. So yeah, so the picture is working. It's just pretty dim. But hey, that's better than nothing. So we'll see where we go from now. I'm trying to do a little research on this now. Hey, what's up, everybody? I've been down so you can see me. Oh look, it's my latest game pickup. Popeye. It's still dirty, but I got it back up and working. Few little monitor issues, but can play it for the most part. I got a cap kit on the way. It's gonna be my first time doing a cap kit. I'm gonna put it in, but that's in another video. Right now, I'm gonna clean it up. Got my little simple grain, some paper towels. And I bought some T-molding off of eBay. And we're gonna put some brand new T-molding on it. But here you go, here's a look at it before. We're gonna clean it up and we'll take a look at it afterwards. All right, everybody, just wanna check back in, show you some more progress. Wipe down the top a little bit, still gotta go back, clean it again, but now putting on some T-molding. So right now I'm beating it in with a hammer wrapped in a shirt. I don't have nothing but a dirty old hammer, so keep it clean. That's what I'm doing. Let you know how professional we keep it around here. But yep, show you the finished product when I'm done. All right, so here we are. Here's the latest with Popeye. I got T-molding on, brand new T-molding. Got that all the way installed. Now we're going to work on the Marquee. Got a new bulb and starter from Mike's Arcade. So yeah, mikesarcade.com. So I'm going to take out the screws, put it in, get that up and running, and then we'll be in business, back in business. I'm rambling. Anyway. All right, so I'm gonna take off these 4 screws, put in the new bulb and starter from mikesarcade.com, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so while I was trying to take out the screws, stripped one of the screws in the process. So now I'm screwed. So I'm gonna have to take care of that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the monitor. Like when I play the game, I got the brightness turned all the way up, and you can still see it a little bit, but it's pretty dim. And just looking inside of here through the glass, let's see if I can get it in focus. Yeah, look at that. Look at the screen back there, how dirty that is. So I bet if I can just get in there and wipe it down, that the screen's gonna look a lot brighter by just cleaning it. I mean, look at that, that's filthy. Okay, everybody, got my special helper out here. Screwed it, was having a hard time with. Just using these, twisting it out. And we're gonna get that light bulb in and we'll show you the finished product. Alright, I'm gonna let Takari do the honors and lift this up.
Alright.
Does it slide up?
Kind of.
Not the glass, the black part though.
I need help.
Oh. Yes, you did. You do need help. Alright, got that up and just keep that up like that.
Oh shoot.
And now we'll take this down. The spider webs off. Look, he's getting down off the steps now. Go ahead and get down so you don't get all freaked out.
Alright. Come on.
Yeah. Alright, I don't want to mess up our marquee. But yeah, there's our bulb. Okay, so that's why it wasn't working. There wasn't a bulb in there. So maybe we can just pop the bulb in.
It'll work.
I got a starter too. Maybe we'll put a new starter, but we'll put the bulb in. Get those cobwebs out of there. Turn it on and see what happens. You gonna clean up the spider webs? You're like, nah. Alright, everybody, I got a special guest. She's out here in the garage with me and Corey. She's helping us work on the Popeye machine, but from her princess car. Anyway, here's the update. We got the spider webs clean, the dead spiders out. The reason why it didn't work before, because there's no bulb in it. So I got a new starter and a bulb, so I think we'll just go ahead and put brand new everything in, and then we'll seal it back up and test it out. All right, get the bulb out, buddy.
Here's the bulb.
All right, and there should be a little starter in there, a little tiny thing, so you got to take out the other stuff.
Alright.
Okay, so Corey unboxed our starter and our bulb we got from Mike's Arcade. We're gonna take the old one out and put the new one in. You wanna put the new one in, Corey?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a proud father moment right there. Look at that. Look at that. This boy restoring the 1982 Nintendo Popeye cabinet. Get up on the stool if you got to. Oh, drop the bulb.
Yep, it's in there.
It's in there. Alright. We just gotta put the bulb in. There's some old tape that might get in the way. I think we can get it in there. I'll move this tape over here. Here, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Need some scissors. I got some scissors. That out the way. So over here. Alright, you want to try and put the bulb in?
Yeah, I'll try.
Alright, you see on the bottom here, put it up. Hold on, let me get this tape off of this side. Hold the bulb. Alright, now we can put the marquee back in. Or we should test it out before we screw it back up, right?
Yes, test it.
Or wait until it's sealed up and then test it out.
Test it out now.
Test it out now? Alright. Let's do it. Here, can you hold the camera? You can keep it up there. I'm gonna plug in the cord right here. 3, 2, 2.5, 1. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
It works.
There it is.
There it is. What do you think? Are you proud of your work? See, your starter was over there doing its thing.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Got the game going.
Can we try it?
Yeah. Do 2-player.
I'll get up here.
Alright.
Let's see, it'd be player 1. And you'll do player 2, Cole. Oh, don't let the guy hit you. Oh,
So am I the big person?
no. What is it? Popeye. The guy in white.
I didn't know who I am, so. Can we jump in this?
Or
No, there's no jumping. Alright, there it is with the marquee back on. Kids can't stop playing it.
I like.
I
They
like
like it. So next, just gonna wipe down the monitor. And then since I got Corey, gonna do some adjusting, try and get the colors right. Let's see if I can get it all right. Hey everybody, me and Corey are back. We're trying to get the bezel off the front to dust. So wish us luck. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the glass with some Windex. Corey's over there. He just got done dusting off the monitor and everything. There's all his dirty rags. Let's check out his work. Did he do good? Oh yeah. It's looking nice and clean. He's hyped. He wants to play. He wants to see what it looks like with the screen wiped off. And then we're going to adjust the colors and everything. But anyway, back to cleaning, and we'll show you in a little bit how it looks.
Yeah,
All right, we wiped it down, hit it with some Windex. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to hand the camera to Corey
yeah.
so you can show everybody how crispy it is. And it starts up in 3, 2, 1.
And done. There it is. Oh my gosh, that looks so.
This is really gotta fix up here that little bit, but we're gonna twist some knobs and get the colors right. Let's see what it looks like with the game started.
Dang, that looks way better.
It looks way brighter, so we'll be able to do some adjusting. But you can actually see things now more than you could before. Oh yeah. All right, well let's twist some knobs and see if we can make it look even better. Okay, so me and Corey just did a little something with the settings. I was doing the vertical size. Yeah. That's what I was moving. So we got the top, so now you can see the score and everything. But now it's just like small in the screen, so. I don't know if that's good or bad. That's how it's supposed to be or not. It looks like we're playing on like a widescreen LCD. I think it should be like bigger, taking up the whole screen.
But when it does get bigger, you can't see the numbers really well.
Yeah, so it's like you either lose the top score or you play it like this. But for now, we'll keep it like this so we can see the score. I'm going to do a cap kit. Maybe that'll fix that issue. But right now we're going to try and get the colors so that the colors look better. Okay, so we went ahead and made a decision to make the screen big again. That way, this looks better. We don't need to see the high score. We're still trying to make it to level 2. That's hard enough. But anyway, we're gonna put the bezel back on and keep it moving. Playing Popeye. Look at that, all freshly done. Got the marquee. Let's get this out of here. Out of here.
Yo, man.
Oh, my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. About to get first time getting all the hearts. Can I go to? Oh snap! No. Player 1 game over. I thought I had to just hit 24. Am I wrong on my count? Wait.
Probably.
You cannot catch all the kisses. How many? What the heck?
Oh.
Alright, fail.
Oh, God.
I did it. I made it to level 2 first time. Oh no.
Get all the musical.
I don't know what to do though.
Get the.
Alright, he just got me. It's hard to do it and record.
You're like, what am I supposed to do? I'm telling you right now.
Look at this know-it-all already. I'm telling you what to do. He's the Popeye expert now. You're gonna be Popeye.
I don't care. I gotta get that heart.
Ding, 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 ding. Go down the stairs. Oh, he's showing down the ladder. Mr. Know-It-All. Mr. Know-It-All. Ooh. Okay, I see. Showing off. You be player 1. Oh, okay. Player 1, man. What you think? You got better luck.
Oh, man.
Here, get him and hit the thing. Oh, you could have trapped him. He's going to hit your Jordans. Oh, what a master play. Here, let's show everybody how it's done. I'm going to get to level 2 on my first try right here. Watch. Pissed out on. Oh no! It rigged. It was rigged.
It went rigged.
It rigged. Your turn.
Dude.
Dude. There, I got you a heart.
I could have got it without even getting it. No, I got
Alright, everybody. So there you go. It's my latest game pickup. Popeye from Nintendo. 1982. There it is. We bought this $250 on OfferUp. It was non-working. Plugged it in. Nothing happened. So after looking in the back, saw that one of the cables to the PCB wasn't connected. Then later I saw that there's a cable from the monitor that wasn't plugged into where the RGB controls are, and plugged that in. Then we had the video working. Had to change the PCB settings, turn the sound back on, and get it out of cocktail mode. And then me and the kids, we changed the light bulb, cleaned the screen, I added T-molding. So all I have to do now, I'm just gonna take the control panel apart, clean up the joystick, the buttons, and then I'm gonna get some side art. Slap it on there. I got a cap kit from Ian Kellogg, I think it is. Got a cap kit from him. So hopefully that's going to get rid of the problem at the top with score, but for now it's playable. Looks a lot better than it did when it first came in. I'll try and do something to the front and the coin doors later, but just happy at this point to have it up and working. So leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, leave a comment, and I'll write you back. And yeah, it's late and I'm going to play some Popeye. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.